Today, we're diving into one of the most significant hardware upgrades in Google's latest Pixel series, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. This new feature is creating quite a buzz and might just be the best fingerprint scanner we've seen in years. So let's dig into why this is such a game changer. Google's track record with fingerprint scanners on its Pixel phones hasn't been the best. The Pixel 6, for example, had notorious issues with its fingerprint scanner. Many users found the scanner unreliable, some even able to unlock their phone with unregistered fingerprints. This led to security concerns, and while Google eventually fixed these issues with a software update, it wasn't the most timely solution. Fast forward to the Pixel 7 series, and Google managed to address the security flaws. However, the optical fingerprint scanners in these devices were still slow, leaving users wanting more. Even in the Pixel 8 Pro, while the scanner was reliable and secure, it remained on the slower side. Enter the Pixel 9 series, where Google has made a bold move by introducing a brand new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. This isn't just any ordinary upgrade. It's a leap forward that could redefine how we think about smartphone security. The Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL feature Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Gen 2 ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Google claims that this new scanner is 50% faster than the one in the Pixel 8, but that doesn't even scratch the surface of what makes this upgrade so impressive. Qualcomm has stated that the 3D Sonic Gen 2 is the world's fastest ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Its larger 8x8mm sensing area is a significant factor in this speed, allowing for quicker and more reliable fingerprint recognition. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanners aren't new. Samsung has been using this technology in its Galaxy S series for years. However, the Pixel 9's implementation seems to have taken things to a new level. Early reports suggest that the Pixel 9's fingerprint scanner might even be faster than the one in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This speed improvement is no small feat. In some cases, the Pixel 9's scanner can unlock the phone with just a tap on the screen, without needing to hold the finger in place. While it may not work 100% of the time, the performance is still a significant step up from previous Pixel models and even rivals like Samsung. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series retains Face Unlock for higher security tasks like payments, making it one of the most convenient smartphones to unlock. Despite not having advanced Face ID sensors like the iPhone, Google's approach with the Pixel 9 series strikes a balance between convenience and security. It's time to ask the big question: should all flagship smartphones adopt ultrasonic fingerprint scanners? The short answer is yes. Optical fingerprint scanners have been the go-to choice for many smartphone manufacturers, but they come with limitations. Optical scanners work by capturing a two-dimensional image of a fingerprint using light. They're relatively quick, accurate, and affordable, but they struggle in certain conditions. Wet, dirty, or off-center fingerprints can cause problems, and optical scanners are more vulnerable to spoofing due to their reliance on flat images. The Pixel 9's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner isn't a feature that could sway your decision to upgrade. Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch: the Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25 complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.